Hello everyone, I'm Alexa and today I will be making palitaw. These are the ingredients and materials that we will need to make it. First is grated coconut, glutinous rice flour or malagkit, sesame seeds, sugar, spatula, measuring spoons, water, and parchment paper. First step is to toast the sesame seeds until it's brownish. Let's put this aside first and get the pan. Preheat it for about 10 seconds. Mix it thoroughly until it's brownish. Tada! It's now brownish. So let's move on to the next step. The second step is to mix the flour and water. Pour half a cup of water into the flour and mix it well. I think it's ready. Okay, now let's move on to the parchment paper. Let's take out a large portion where we will put the molded flour later. But first, let's put some flour onto the parchment paper so that the mixed flour won't stick. Okay, let's start molding. Now let's boil the water for about 10 minutes. We can now mix the toasted sesame seeds and sugar. Now we're done mixing the toasted sesame seeds and the sugar. Now, the water's ready. Okay, now let's put our molded flour into the boiling water. Let's wait until it floats. Now the palitaw is ready. And now we will put some grated coconut, toasted sesame seeds, and sugar. Let's put the palitaw first in grated coconut. Finally, we are done. Here's the finished product. Happy with my palitaw! Kain po tayo!